Did you do too much chewing, Maggie? Did you do too much chewing? I gave you those new toys. Look at how messy my room is. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry that was bothering you, kitty kitty. Ugh, no. I have got to clean this room. It's not focusing very well, but I have got to clean this room before I can enjoy Lydia. It's kind of like what I like to do before I do things that I really, really want to do. I make myself do something that I don't want to do. So currently I really don't want to straighten up this room, but it's past the point of no return. I got to do it. So we'll talk to you later, Lydia. All right. It's much better here. I can definitely live with myself. The cat's back. I had to fix his area. Is he cleaning yourself? Oh, it's a cutie. He loves sitting up here, so I had to make sure to have this set up for him. He loves soft things, so I'm such a sucker.